Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to model a wardrobe. So take rectangle, draw a rectangle of 975 mm by 600 mm with the help of push-pull. Give the height of 2100. Select the front face and delete. With the help of push-pull tool, push-pull the face to 18 mm. 18 mm and the skirting to 75 mm. And the for back we are going to push pull 8 mm. This is the box for the wardrobe. Now we are going to create two drawers, the basic wardrobe. With the help of tape measure, measure 900 mm, take a reference line, select the plane, take a move tool, press Ctrl to make a copy and take a reference of 900 mm and push pull it to 18 mm. Here we are making the drawer, so you need to give the gap between shutter and the drawer. So push pull the drawer inside 50 mm, then select the plane, push pull it to, hold the control and push pull it to 125 mm. Select this line and give the packing of 50 mm on both sides. Take a line tool, draw a line in the center, taking the reference of midpoint. Now we are going to create the grooves. So select the line and copy it at 2 mm. And push pull inside 18 mm. Same over here. Select and push pull. For the front groove, we will select and make a copy at 1 mm. On other side. Delete the midline. Push pull it to 18 mm. For this side of the packing, 2 mm. Push pull to 18 mm. This side of the packing again, copy the line 2 mm and give the push pull. That's how we have created the drawers inside the wardrobe. I'm just adjusting the height of the drawer. So in the front view, I'm going to select the drawer and adjust the height of the drawer to 900 mm. Now we are going to add the shelf. For adding the shelf, select the plane, move it to the top, place over here, then type slash. I want 3 shelves, so I am going to type slash 3. It will automatically make the copies. Divide it into 3 equal parts. I will just push pull it to 18 mm. Shelf thickness, same at the bottom. Select the shelf plane and place it in the midpoint. Push pull it to 18 mm. We just need to push the shelf inside and take the reference of drawer. That's how we can create a simple wardrobe. Select the wardrobe and create a group. For making shutters, take a rectangle, take the reference point and draw the rectangle. Select the rectangle and make group. Select rectangle, move it upward 75 mm to show the skirting. Draw a line in the center for making two equal divisions. Select the line and make a copy at 2 mm. We are going to show the 4 mm groove, so either side to 2 mm copy. Delete the middle line. With the help of push pull, give the shutter thickness of 25 mm. That's how we have created a simple wardrobe. Just hide this, and this is the inner, and this is the shutters. Now save the file. If you want to create any pattern on shutters, just take a line from the midpoint to this, go inside the group, select the line, edit, cut, go inside the shutter group and edit, paste in place, select the shutter and just push pull inside and delete the shutter. I will select the shutter, this shutter. I will select this shutter, holding shift I will deselect this line. I will make this group and then make component. Now this shutter is a component. I will make it component. Now this shutter is a component. I will take this component and make a copy and place it at the top and place it at this point. I'm going to create a simple groove pattern inside the shutter. I will take a tape measure, take a reference at 550, again take a line at 900 and I will make a rectangle. The benefit of making component, whatever design I will make it over here, it will automatically updated over the other shutter. I don't need to model the design on both shutter. I will just select this and give offset of 50 mm. I will select this and give offset of 50 mm. I will select this rectangle and give offset of, I will select this rectangle and push pull it to 6 mm. Same with here. I will select this line. I will select this line and make a copy of this line and divide it equally 8 parts. I think I should divide it in equally 10 parts, maybe 12 parts. For making grooves, I will just copy the line 2 to mm at the sides. I will select both the lines and make multiple copies by holding Ctrl. Now I will select the face and push pull it to. For making grooves at the downside, I will push pull the face, this face to 4 mm. Holding Ctrl 4 mm, and at the top I will also push pull this face to 4 mm. Hold Ctrl, push pull it to 6 mm. Take the reference of this, and now I will just double click each and every face. For making groove, I will again push pull it to -6 mm. I will delete the all guidelines. That's how the simple wardrobe modeling. That's how we have completed the simple wardrobe modeling. अगर आप भी इस तरह के टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स डेली बेसिस पर सीखना चाहते हो तो चैनल को फॉलो करो, और अगर आप मेरे साथ लाइव जुड़ना चाहते हो तो बायो को चेक करो।